Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to bring 4K video into YouTube. That's right, you recorded your video in 4K, whether it's here, there, on your mobile device, and then you upload it. You're like, wait, it's in standard SD, kind of like here. Usually you're supposed to see 4K. But I'm going to show you the hack around that, or the trick around that, and the settings around that. It's the combination of everything all in one. So without any further ado, come, let's get started. Let's bring that 4K video back into YouTube. And hopefully this video right now is in 4K too. All right, so what you're gonna do is, and this video is special thanks to our viewers, which are here in this video, the original DJI. Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, and the underwater experience. And as you can see, this video, right, is in HD. And it's not in 4K. We'll just close this window right here, and then we'll just stretch this out a little bit if it lets us. If it does, great. If not, so we can streamline everything. Let's see if we can move that around. Nice that we can move that around as we're recording. All right, so knowing that, moving forward, as you can see, the standard definition is in HD, and the maximum rate we'll get is that's it, 720, 360, and etc. And it's set to auto, depending on your browser. All right, so knowing that, and moving forward, what we'll do is go here into their comments, because this is why this video is created. We have CL Tech 05. Next time, try recording in 4K for footage longevity and also max bitrate available. Later on, you can export in a lower quality if preferred. Thanks, thank you. And next one, I agree with others, 4K and such. Is this your first time with this camera? And so the answer to that is no, believe it or not. I've been recording in 4K at 60 frames per second for over a year. Then why is it like that? I can say don't trust the process. So before we continue, welcome back to Everything That Glitches. So let's show you how to fix it if your video is in 1080, right, and you want to bring it into 4K. And I'll show you why I'm on the fence with the first process, but the first process will get you 4K instantly. Okay, so knowing that and moving forward, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our here. There's an application called hitpaw converter. Okay, and we have here converted. We have two files here. We have 1080 and another one or something. So knowing that, moving forward, we'll just view in the source, which is here. I'll bring it over. We have some files in here. That's a duplicate, so I'll delete that. So we have two files here, and if I press spacebar, right, to view them, there is one. Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, kind of show you how to make your tell if it's in 4K or not. And then we have here, that's in 4K. Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, I know to show you is a little bit crispier and sharper. But sometimes it's hard to tell. Sometimes I can tell because it's labeled, right? Sometimes it says 4K, so it's got to be 4K. Another way to tell is if you select it and you press Get Info, and then right here, by default, you'll probably see that. So what you do is you select More Info, and you'll see 3840 by 2160. So we know that that is the default aspect ratio for the 4K. Okay, so knowing that and moving forward, how do we know if the other one is 1080? Same thing. Select Info, and then we have 1920 by 1080. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll drag your standard definition HD into here, and what we'll do is we'll actually open the folder again. Folder does not exist. Let's select here. Folder does not exist. That's okay, because we can upload. So most likely for you, it'll look like this, right? And then you'll just say drag or drop, and it's right there. So I'm going to take the one that's 1080, right? You can drag and drop it in if you like. See, and there it is. So by default, you see it's 1920 by 1080 and 1920 by 1080. So no sense in converting it to what it already is, right? Because basically you're just going to get the same thing. So what you'll do is you either click here, right? And you'll see 4K, or you will click here and you'll select 4K there. Either way, doesn't matter, top, bottom, left, right, wherever the menu appears for you. And then we select convert. And then when you're done, you'll have an amazing 4K video. But again, like I said, I'm on the fence with this because if you read the comment from one of our viewers, viewer CL Tech 05, next time try recording in 4K for footage longevity, and also max bit rate available. Later on, you can export in a lower quality as preferred. So he's right, but it was already downgraded. So how are we taking a video that's 1080 and pushing it into 4K? Like, it's already been stripped down. So I'm not sure if it's just writing a codecs in there so that you can have the 4K experience on YouTube when you go here into the menu, right? Then you'll see 4K available, but it's not really 4K, okay? So I don't know, but all I know is that this program works and it will convert your 1080 into 4K. What it's adding to it, I don't know. But anyway, knowing that and moving forward, so this is the fix. Now you wait in the process and then you will have, again, your 4K video, okay? So knowing that and moving forward, it'll be in its export folder. You go into the folder, into the converted, wherever you decided to save it. And for me, you can just find the folder like that, see? And it's still processing this one, but we now have a 4K there. And if we
Hey there, welcome back, guys.
Get info, you can tell that the aspect ratio is there, okay? The other way is in your editing process, and I would say don't trust the process. So we're in Final Cut, okay? Here we go. We're gonna open up Final Cut. I don't believe I have too many things connected here, but that's okay. We can create a new project in Final Cut, open up something that hopefully does open, okay? Knowing that and moving forward, we can always find something. We can actually go into a new project. Let's see, Smart, go to Untitled, New Project. So we have a new project, and as you can see here, it's 3840 by 2160, and then we have other options which we'll just leave. And as you can see, it's 4K at 60 frames per second. This is going to be set to the Osmos Action 4 aspect ratio, okay? And then what we'll do is we'll go here, right? And then you find your footage, whatever your footage or wherever it might be. Let's see, new videos. Let's see if I have something here. We have D-log, we have correct. I wonder if we can take the dry, that's not gonna work. New videos to post. Let's see what's, whoops. Let's see what's in the to post folder. Other, there we go. Most likely there's one in here. This is an 80s retro game, actually.
Let us begin. And my kids are going away this weekend.
I think
so. I promised my niece
don't do warp.
one of these games.
Sometimes the settings revert back. As you see, in my videos are in standard warp.
This one
standard mode, but it's not that way. Anyways, knowing that, moving forward, let's see what this is. And this is 19. Nope, this is in 4. This is in whatchamacallit, and not the right aspect ratio. So let's try this one. And then we click get info. Nope, 19. So this one isn't in 4K. So then we just have to keep looking for one, right, that is in 4K. Ah, Toro, this is definitely in 4K. No, because it was exported in. So a lot of the videos were actually saved. Let's see, let's try this one. No. Other. Yeah, so a lot of these videos, as you can see, were saved and exported. Let's see, maybe this has some raw. Hopefully this one has some raw footage. Let's see. Yes, so we found one that is in 4K, okay? That hasn't been saved, exported, or butchered in the process. So we'll take this one and drag it in. You see, and now we have it here. And we know here, if we look here, by default, this is what you'll see. You'll see that. You're like, how do I know it's in 4K? I just brought it into Final Cut. The settings are there. So just to double check your settings, you go here. See, click on that little info, and then you can see 3840 by 2160. All right, knowing that and moving forward, if we look here, right, that's good. And there's our video. As you can see, it's really cool. I wonder if this one uploaded yet, though. Oh, yeah, no, this is another one I have to edit for the Spaceman for, I think, his different supports. Really cool video. It's coming out soon. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, now I'm done editing it, and I want to export it. So that, like I said before, don't trust the process, because this is what I was doing. I would click here, 4K, and then go, oh look, right here, it says 4K, right? Oh, right here, it says 4K. And then I would click next, and then save it, right? Because it said it was in 4K, but no, you have to look here, 3840 by 2160. So by default, my settings were screwed, and why, I don't know. And then if I go here to settings, I had to change it, because this was actually like that. Like you saw the other videos, they were at 1920, 1080, because by default, my 4K was not 4K. So forget about it. So knowing that, moving forward, like I said, don't trust the process, just double check. Oh, look, it says, but it says 4K right there, I swear. Don't forget about it. Don't do what I did. 4K again. All right, so again, you'll see that, and then just look there, and then go into settings, and then go here. Now it's in 4K. Now it'll be 2 gigabytes, and when you click next, it'll export, and then say, bring 4K back, right? And then save it to the desktop, and now you are golden. Of course, you have to wait for the render save time, right? Which it takes a while. Let's see if we have here. Actually, you know what? You just go back into Final Cut and just see how long. Command 9, and it hasn't even started saving slide. Oh no, we're at 29% in the transcoding. So it works pretty fast depending on your processor, but then that's how you get 4K. And then when you go back into YouTube, right? When you go back here, oh, there I am. I never thought I'd see myself. When you go back here, if you go to if we go to edit, right? You have standard definition and HD. But anything moving forward when you upload it, when it's done, like if we go back here to our content, and then go here's the content, but there's a new video coming out, and if we go to it's scheduled, right, you'll see standard definition, HD, and 4K. So newer videos will be in 4K. Newer videos coming out may not be in 4K, because as you saw, the Spaceman was exported and into the previous 4K settings, a couple of videos. So it'll be a mixture of some until everything is pushed out. But whatever is on the camera, you'll know that it's in 4K, because it's going to be in 4K. And I'm not going to convert. I'm not a fan of converting something that was downgraded and then upgraded again. I don't know. So no, like for example, the Toro video, right? That's done. That was shot in 4K. But unfortunately, it says, yeah, 1080. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I convert it? Should I not convert it? It's a great video. I haven't launched it yet. These are the videos that just haven't been pushed out. Hey there, welcome back, guys. Came from nowhere. In this video, we're going to be going for your winter video. There are going to be a bunch of people wanting to fix that snowblower. But yes, knowing that, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I or just upload it the way it is, and just moving forward, it'll be a combination of things until probably September. September, things will probably be 100% 4K, because as you see, we have things here that just need to be pushed out. And that's it. Welcome back to 4K. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.